And hey everyone, Phil 33 Mile Bees up here at the North Apiary. It's been 16 days since we've been up here. We'll go through a few of these hives, take you along, see what we got, see if we have to add anything. Probably gonna be kind of a short video today, but let's see what we can do. Here we go. Of course, never fails come up here in North Apiary. Always gotta forget something, right? So, didn't bring a lighter to light my smoker. So let's see how we can do this without a lighter today, or without a smoker. Again, we were up here 16 days ago. So it's been a little while. Never-ending story of trying to get more equipment. I'm just gonna check some of these. I doubt these will all need new equipment or anything, but we're just going to give them a quick check, see what we got. Alright, just gonna check this outside frame up here. And different hive tool. See how they're doing on this one. Again, I don't have smoke going, so hopefully they don't get too riled up. Alright, well, in 16 days, you can see these are all new frames, the second deep, pretty much all built out. See what we got for the next one. And looking good. Still a little room left. Still building out some. Feeling okay. This whole area here is all brood eggs. And nectar on that side. So, doing good. I'm not going to go any further into here. If anything, as much as they're built out, I would probably say if I come back up here, I'll flip this frame around so I work on the other side. Probably put a super on this one. Honey super. Since our flow's still going. And our goldenrod will soon start. I'm not a big fan of goldenrod honey, but do have some people that want it, so I try and keep that separate. Alright, now our double nuke. This one, I had to order more equipment, and so we'll see how bad this is. It's a little bit feisty. Let's do this without making too mad. And I'm just going to take this outside one. This was a new frame when I did a double nuke. They are not liking me. So I'm not going to be in this one. Yeah, nope. Not having smoke. I'm not going in this one any further. I can see there all the frames are all built out all the way across. See honey ring on the top, and a little bit of brood even on the outside frames in the upper. So they are doing good. And just waiting for bottom boards, and then I'll move them into a double deep 10 frame. Alright, this one here, last time I forgot a deep box, so I just put a super on just to give them room. single deep. Gotta get up here. So, let's see how we're doing. These girls are a little bit spicy also. This one, as long as they're not too spicy, I'd like to get that deep on. Building this out. I don't see any brood up there. But I'd like to get another double deep on so I can start getting them ready for the winter. So, let's take the super off. Set that over. I'm just curious. Let's see. Let's try to do this. Delicious. You can tell the moisture content's up still kind of high on it. Just don't cure that honey. But, oh, delicious. Alright, let's see what we can do here and see how mad we can make them. Do a little bit of checkerboarding here. Frames here. See if this is a good candidate. Got brood. Lots of brood. Lots of cat brood. She is doing very good. Let's see her. Move this one up. Next one. Slide that over. Slide a new frame in, and then slide it over. And I'm only taking a couple of the frames, moving them up just so they start getting up to the upper box. Start working on them. And another beautiful frame of brood. Drones in there. That one is going to end up having some good genetics to it. And let's take one more and go up to the upper box. Brood that just hatched out. Got some larvae, eggs. Full of cat brood all the way down to larvae and eggs. Don't see her anywhere. See the queen. Great. Move up. And just out of curiosity, I'm going to check this next frame out. Some drone on there, which is not bad. Kind of normal. Get a little bit of drone. Alright. And let's start putting these girls back together. Slide this frame over. At least get them started working on the upper box. There, get there. Got one frame here, here, and here. And put this one in right here. Be plenty of room for them. And just real quick, what I'm going to do is I'm going to check. Well, this super is off. I'm going to check these two to see, because they're going to need a lot of time to fill those out there. So if one of these two need in our super, I'm going to take this one that's already been started, and I'm just going to move that one over to one of these other hives. Building out, and I don't want to dive too deep into these hives without having smoke. Just check this one, see if they might need another super. They are not happy. Just calm down. This is going to get a second super. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one that these girls were already working on and nut them together with this super, like a so. So these ones are kind of on the spicy side, especially without having smoke on. So that is that. Some of you are probably like, how can you just do that? They'll get used to each other. It's my theory. Alright, so put the cover back on this one. This one is good until next time. And this last order of lids that I got, top covers, they fit tight. Got them just right. I'm sure they don't like that, but what are you going to do? Yeah, put the cover back on this one. Lid on. And there we go. It should be good for one more week. We'll come back up. Hopefully I'll have the equipment to do this one and put that into a double 10 frame and see what happens there. I'm running right now about, I got 50 supers on. Most of them are drawn out. There's a few that aren't. And I just ordered another equipment, frames, foundation for 15 more. And hopefully I can use the goldenrod flow to help at least draw out those frames on the supers that are coming. But other than that, that's it for up here at the North Apiary. See what happens. But looks like the hives are doing good. Ideally, I want to get these all to at least a double deep for the winter. But got about 3 more months until snow starts flying, so Or at least, well, I shouldn't say start flying. They're gonna start flying next month for all we know up here in Michigan, but stuff that'll stick and the cold weather will start getting and staying. So again, 33 Mile Bees, please like and subscribe if you like my videos. Got any questions? Comment below, email below. All my information is below. So until next time, be back at the main apiary, going through those. More than likely I'm going to start pulling some honey supers and see what we can do. Challenge is to beat last year. Had 745 pounds of honey last year. My goal is to get at least 1,000 pounds this year. Okay, catch you home.